Hi everyone, my name is Taylin St. John, and today I'm going to talk about mobile technology inside the classroom. It talked about for our assignment that cell phones inside the classroom. Cell phones are good for emergencies, quick reminders, and cell phones are basically found everywhere. Inside the classroom, you can use them for taking pictures or accessing music through YouTube, but always make sure it's kid appropriate. I'm a preschool teacher, and the other day we was out on a bear hunt, which just includes walking around the school and just getting some exercise outside. And the kids wanted to take a picture in front of the some trees that we have at the school. So I didn't have, an iPod or an iPad on me, so I just pulled out my cell phone and I took some pictures, and now the pictures are going to be displayed in our classroom so that the parents and brothers and sisters can come in and see the pictures that we took from our bear hunt the other day. iPods, iPads, and other handheld devices. You can use educational apps. There's all sorts of math games and science games that you can learn from and develop your knowledge further in whatever, like say if you're doing math, there's counting games, addition and subtraction. There's games that you match pictures, and a lot of recognition for the kids to be able to use with iPods or iPads or even other handheld devices. I found a resource online just a little bit ago, and I thought it was very interesting. Pelton talked about how those apps that you allow you to review students' progress to support assignments. Some apps let you go in and talk about how much progress the student's making. If, say, like if it's a math game, you can go further into in depth in what you're talking about, and with iPods and iPads, you're able to track the child's progress through that way. So that's kind of handy. This is just a picture of the kids with the iPads and playing around. And then Chromebooks and laptops, sorry, they're very, in the older grades, not so much as in the younger grades, like kindergarten through third grade. Chromebooks are at our school. We have them, but they're leaning more towards iPads. However, in through fourth through sixth grade, Chromebooks are almost like a necessity for the kids to have. The Cave City is using iReady stations, which include like development of math and reading, and allow them to further their education that way. They're kind of letting off the textbooks and going more towards iReady. So Chromebooks and laptops are very common in classrooms. The it's an You can search for educational activities or lessons or whatever you're talking about. I know Accelerated Reader is also offered on our Chromebooks and laptops, which is whenever you read, you can take tests over what you've read and receive AR points for that. And you can, of course, use it to type papers and do research that way. So here's just my sources that I found, and thank you very much.